You get the camera set up?
It's right there.
Nice.
Can you get the hood latch? And honestly, I don't know anything about it. Does it go up? Does it go down?
Still. Okay, we got the tire off. Toyota Scion. You said 2005?
2005.
Serpentine belt.
Well, it's actually 2 belts.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, one of them is around. I think it's the. Well, one of them is around 2 components, and the other one is around 3, I think.
Okay, there it is. So your alternator, probably your AC unit, water pump, smog pump. This has probably got environmental shit on it. It's 2005. Yeah. The other stuff that us old timers ignore. Environmental, whatever. Hippies, man. I think this may be an exhaust thing. Like maybe I want to jack it up more and take a look and see where that connects to, because that just can't be loose there. That's not normal. Cars don't do that.
Okay, so here's a.
Like here, this has nothing in it. Is that where it goes? Should this be up here like this, but then what would it connect to that would be over here? Is it part of your like air filter system? But why would your air filter be down there? Shouldn't it be near the... I don't know. This is a modern engine. They scare me. They're made out of magic and fairy poop.
Well, that right there looks like air intake.
This does?
This. Yeah.
This is probably your... Well, this down there, it's just hanging down, and that cars don't normally do that. But it looks like it's supposed to be angled down. I don't know. So is there a torque?
So
is that what this is? The torque?
I don't know. This is a tensioner for the
that's
alternator.
Yeah, but you don't want to mess with that. You just want to mess with the thing that's holding the... You sure it's not underneath? So, yeah. Okay, there's one thing over on the left, one in the dead center, and 2 over here on the right. The tensioner looks in between the 2 over here on the right.
Yeah, there is absolutely nothing down here that resembles a tensioner.
What's the in between the alternator and the whatever's down on the bottom? What is that? Is that it? That looks like a tensioner.
Here? This?
Yeah, that thing. Or is it just one of those wheels that holds the belt down a little bit?
Well, I don't see anything.
Like and subscribe for absolute hacks, part of the Supreme Council of the Master Law. Absolute hacks, Toyota maintenance.
It's got 3 bolts on it, but it doesn't have. I don't see a tensioner or a loosener bolt anywhere.
You're right. That would definitely be.
So I think it's just a filler pulley or whatever. The